Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking a little bit about Luna Classic again. There is some very big news on that front. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. I also have a little bit of a free surprise for you. You don't want to miss that. And yeah, let's get into the video. So here we are guys. Twitter post from Luna Classic. Just closed the Google Meet with Boosty Labs. They confirmed Classic DEX goes live with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana cross-chain support on day one. No waiting, no excuses. They locked in the deal. The cheapest DEX platform to swap anywhere, undercutting Uniswap, Radium, everyone. Lowest fees, plus perp trading, plus bot trading, plus auto burns on every trade. And that will burn off that excess trillions of Luna Classic and USTC, which in the past were generated by that by that massive crash we had. And yeah, this is one of the ways that they will start to burn that excess off, which will in turn increase our value with the added volume and value of the DEX platform itself. Luna Classic, Terra, Luna Classic, and USTC basically USTC could become repegged again. And it will take time. It will not happen overnight. But this is a fundamental change, a fundamental product. There is no definitive date on when it goes live yet, but they have confirmed that Boosty Labs will be developing it for them. And basically the plan is in motion right now, and it will start to provide. They released the full white paper, roadmap, etc., the full documentation on this. I have shared this on my own Twitter channel at Investing Frankly. It is here, the documentation of the technical proposal from Boosty Labs. So if you want to check that out, you can check that out. You can click it on my Twitter channel at Investing Frankly without the A if you want to, of course. It is a very extensive document. I looked through it. I used a little bit of AI to summarize it, and I think it looks good. I think it's legit. Of course, I am relatively positive on Luna Classic. I think they have a serious shot at rebuilding their platform. Like I said, it will not happen overnight. It will not be an instant massive increase in price. But with the current market cap that they have, only 235 million, there is a lot of room for growth. There is a lot of room for growth. Much smaller meme projects have had much bigger market caps. Of course, it had up to a $40 billion market cap in the past. I'm not saying that it will hit that instantly, but there is a path to growth. There is a serious path to growth. A DEX platform which undercuts all the other platforms, which is a very good strategic move because they need more volume. And this will definitely draw volume. If they offer the most important crypto, the most traded crypto, the most volume traded crypto, and they undercut everyone else, and all the fees generated go back into the project by burning tokens, I mean, this is very good news. This would make any single DEX trader want to trade on this platform. There's also another upgrade on the way. This is, by my standards, I think we have a serious shot here in 2026 for Luna Classic. And let's just grab the regular chart. I mean, if we zoom out a little bit more, I mean, I think personally, I think we're at the very bottom. My indicators is agreeing as well. There's a lot of buying strength around this area. Like I said, the market cap is tiny. Like, if it had a $2 billion market cap, I would still be buying this. And it's at 200 million. So if we go to that 2.3 billion, that will be a 10x on your investment. There are not a lot of crypto projects out there right now where I would wager it has the potential to do a 10x. Only a few of which I make videos have that potential. I think this is one of them, and possibly even a 100x play if it does gain enough momentum to actually grab billions of dollars of volume again. Now, like I said, will not happen overnight, but I was talking to a friend earlier today, and we were talking about like what is the crypto you were reminded of like 10 years ago or several years ago, when someone said like, hey, buy this and that, Dogecoin at 2 cents and stuff like that, which I had. And basically the crypto that could have made you a millionaire if you only just bought and held it. And there have been several I could have just bought and hold at that time, and I made profits on them, but I sold them, and I've learned from that. I'm not selling long shots like this. This is something I call it a long shot. It is a long shot, but this is a play I'm willing to hold for the next 10 years. I think the team is dedicated. I think they're dedicated to growth, to increasing all these factors, the volumes, the exchanges that they're traded on. There is serious build momentum here. They are delivering. They are delivering on their products. Sorry, Kraken exchange, which reversed their exchange and their decision to delist. I think the people have spoken on that, and hype is increasing more and more and more. I'm seeing more and more Twitter posts again. Of course, I myself am posting about it as well, or retweeting. But the fact that it is gaining so much momentum, the volume traded with it is also increasing. Those are all very telltale signs. Now, the price itself is not moving yet, but all altcoins aren't. Like every single crypto right now, or altcoin, is at a low. So this is the time we need to be buying. This is the time we need to be buying what we want to buy. I wanted to buy this. I have bought this. Maybe scaling a little bit more, but I think we have serious potential for the upside here. And like I said, this indicator is also indicating it, and it indicated it before this pump, but the price is almost there. So it is. I still think the price is very undervalued right now. It is overstretched to the downside, especially like if we zoom out a little bit more. Say we grab that weekly chart. And of course, from its initial downturn, you cannot really compare it. But even right now, I think we're very stretched to the underside. Very low market cap, very realistic market cap, I think. And if we grab that indicator, I think we know what we're looking at. I don't even need to do my own analysis on this. Let's grab that. Zoom in. So like maybe wait for a little bit of a dip towards these bottom bands, which could happen. Technically today prices are moving up a little bit. Like we are slowly gaining some volume back, but it's not very noticeable yet. But pair that, like maybe we get a little bit of a cool down and a little nice buyback here, little dip moment. But my next buy will probably be a little bit towards the end of the month, so I'm kind of on the fence about that. But I bought this dip, so I would be buying back more expensive. But in the long haul, I think the prices right now are very, very undervalued for this project. Very interested to see what happens. And also, if you remember, before the mini correction on Bitcoin, when Bitcoin was in an all-time high, we saw that these DEX platforms were gaining a lot of momentum, like Aster, SNX. Those were projects that did really well at the time. When I called SNX, it did like a 200% climb shortly after. Aster, of course, also went completely bananas, with BNB also going very high at that time. And that was based on that DEX trading narrative where anonymity was the key. And don't forget, like the EU has incorporated laws that CEX platforms, they have to now share everything about their trades and profits, etc. So these DEX platforms, I think, are going to have a narrative in the future as well. I think that will be very telling, very important. And if they're the cheapest, fastest, and one of the safest ways to trade, because basically the money goes back into your wallet and not held on an exchange platform, that is technically safer. We have seen in the past that these platforms aren't always as safe. So this is also, I think, a right move from from Luna Classic by building a DEX platform. I think they've anticipated the market very well. So I'm very interested to see when it comes out, when it's fully functional, and when we can actually trade on it. But I think they've come out swinging. By the way, guys, also if you like this indicator that I've used in the last few videos, that I continue to use in all my videos, basically, it is basically a buy and sell indicator. It is a combination of a lot of different indicators like Bollinger Bands, RSI, EMA, SMA, and all these other indicators, but it combines them and it gives you buy and sell signals. Now, these are not solid buy and sell signals, but they indicate reversal zones. So this call that it had here indicated a very high move, very high chance for a reversal, and obviously it did just that. But it did similar here, and it did similar there, and it did similar here. And you can see what massive volatility it called, and it had correctly. And it increases accuracy as long as volume increases. So for day traders, this is actually even better than what I use it for. I use it mainly for my DCA moments. Very cool indicator. I have a link to it in the description down below. Also, if you open that link, you see a video of me going more and more in depth on several time frames on this indicator. So you can check that out if you want. If not, completely fine. Also, I told you I had a free surprise for you. I have a completely free Discord server. I've been promoting it for a little bit now. There's already a few very good people in there. You can click the link in the description down below. The link to the Discord is in there as well. Feel free to join that. It is a completely free server. And yeah, I hope to build up a fun community with like-minded traders, like-minded people like me, who are looking for these fundamental tokens, these fundamental projects out there where we can gain a nice return and also help build back up that crypto ecosystem. And I think a DEX platform, fully functional, cheapest, with very high potential, and a lot of people still know Luna, and I think a lot of people are rooting for this underdog. So let me know what you guys think. If you yeah, you can leave a comment in the comment section, hit me up on Discord, Twitter, whatever you like. And yeah, if you want to do me a massive favor, please hit that subscribe button as well, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. See you.